everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry for the late upload. Really long day. Had to take care of some stuff. If you want to know more about that, check out my Instagram. But anyways, jumping right in, started out working on the can lights. Got these finished up in the morning, and then after this, I didn't get any pictures or videos by the end of the day, but we did finish up the window wall with all the flex. Got all that strapped in. Got the mud rings on. Got all the strings tied off. All that good stuff. Lasered this. Can lights, got that all checked out. All right, so a little late night action after work. There was some fire alarm troubles, which I don't think were mine because the system's not alarm. It's not beeping or anything right now, which would be like I don't know, evacuate or something. But anyways, we went into walk test to take out all the wire between these fire alarm devices. Take out the smoke bases, wiring up the wires together, and then put the blanks on. So we took out 7 of these smoke bases, which are right here. So took out all these smoke bases. So there was 5 troubles in the system, which had the same exact ID number, the 3143, but it was like a 36, 38, 12. So obviously the system's not going off right now. And yeah, I took out 7 devices. So anyways, I think it was like a giant misconfusion, but I stayed late just to double check to make sure the fire alarm system was good, because technically I don't think we can leave. If we cause a problem, we have to fix it before we leave. But anyways, I checked the power over here. There's still the 20 volts. And then I went ahead and checked over at the first box, which is where I thought the power was coming in, which it might be. So I checked the power right there, still 20 volts. The first device on the system, which is like 41 or whatever that number was, that's technically the first device. But anyways, that one is good, still has 20 volts. So there's power along the whole system. So can't think of any reason of why there would be any troubles here, because all I literally did was take the red wire off of the 5 and the two red wires off the 5, the 2 black wires off of the 6, just wire nut them together, and that's literally all I did. So there's literally no reason why there would be any troubles, and I trust my wire nuts because I pulled on every single one of them, and I twisted them like 17 times, not literally, but like 8 times. So anyways, everything is good. There's still voltage to the whole system. There's no troubles from the room next door, because if this circuit was like cut right there, then there would be like 7 troubles from the room next door. So no troubles from any of this, because obviously there's still power, but there is no troubles, and there's no troubles next door. So I think it's just a giant misconfusion of some other troubles on node 3, which is this node that we're working on right here, node 3, 3143, and the numbers were like 41 through 47. So anyways, giant misconfusion, I believe. But anyways, I'm going home, and yeah, the fire alarm guy will check tomorrow, and hopefully those just like disappear, or someone else is working on the system and get those, someone else fixes them or something, because I don't believe that they are our trouble. So anyways, that's been the rest of my day after work, and I'm gonna go home, and that's about it. Thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome day. Peace.